I'm John Betts. I'm from Warrington in Cheshire, and a few months ago I retired after a 30-year career in policing. I'm now studying to be a health coach with the Health Coaches Academy. From my own lived experience, I know that men are really poor. We are rubbish at talking about how we feel, about our health, about showing vulnerability, and I want to help people overcome that. For me, that journey started 17 years ago when myself and my wife lost our first child at 3 days old, and that brought everything that I used to think was important just went out of the window. And understanding that the impact of that losing Ewan on us, on me as an individual, really brought me up short and thinking actually it's not about being brave. It's not about that stiff upper lip. It's about reaching out and saying actually I need a little bit of help, expressing a bit of vulnerability and giving other people, giving other men permission to say actually I'm not okay. So part of my personal mission is to say actually we can expect, heaven forbid something as horrible as that happens, how do we build that resilience, that strength to actually put your hand up and say, I can't do this on my own. So all of that will feed into the people I want to work with. Throughout my career, I enjoyed coaching, mentoring, helping other people learn, develop. That's where I get my excitement. I'm a running coach in my spare time as well. And I'm far more excited when I see somebody who bring to the sport really achieve their goals than I ever have been about me being faster or doing better in my own races. Part of my journey to coming to health coaching, I've been managing a heart condition for about 8 or 9 years. I had major heart surgery. From somebody who'd previously run a lot, had an active lifestyle, had an active job, to then literally walking to go and fill the kettle up was a challenge. So that for me was massive and a real knock to my confidence. Then I've worked with a coach myself, lost 16 kilos in body fat, back in the gym, back to marathon training again. I came to HCA out of choice and I researched a number of providers and this course was absolutely right for me. So I've got absolute confidence that this is actual science-based, life-changing, life-extending, real good quality work, and I'm absolutely loving it since I've been on it.